So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, we are going to talk about the solution guide. Yes, you heard it right. You are subscribed to the arcade, you have joined the arcade games, you have even participated in the arcade facilitator program, and how to complete these lab free courses, how to find the skill badges. All these things will be covered in this video. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's come to the main thing. Okay, let's come to the main theme of this video. So first of all, if you're completely new to this arcade program, right? So basically here, you have to just come over here. What you need to do, first thing is that you have to come to the playlist section, or I will share the playlist completely in the description box of this video to come over here. And if you want to participate in the arcade facilitator program, you need to watch this video, okay, enrollment form. And if you just want to participate, basically if you are watching this video after the enrollments are closed, watch this zero to hero guide, okay. Make sure to watch it. It will both video will help you a lot. You can watch both the videos. And regarding the lab limits also, you can just watch it because many of you are questioning about the lab limits. So just watch it. Another important thing is that here you can see one lab is equal to one skill badge. You can complete that also. All these resources I'm sharing over here and I will tell you how to complete all these things. So first of all, you need to understand here in the arcade, we have to complete these games. So basically how to complete these games, you have to just first of all create your Cloud Skills Boost account, which you have already watched. Now you have to just copy this access code and click on start. Now you will be redirected to this page and make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. And then here it will ask to enter the code, right? Here it will ask to enter the code. You have to just paste it and just join the game. Now once you have joined the games, here we have multiple labs. Let me show you. Here you can see multiple labs are here. So how will complete all these labs? Where are the solutions? So in this video, we'll cover this only. So first of all, you have to just come to the description box. And here you can use any sheet, even if you click on any sheet. I have linked all the sheet with all the basically courses. So suppose here is the skill badges sheet. So first let's cover the game thing. So basically here I have mentioned all the playlist and their solution guide. Basically, if you want to complete the level 1 games, you can just click on this level 1 playlist like this. Let me show you. So when you click on this, you'll be redirected to basically these playlists. Okay. You can see all these videos are already live. You can watch it and complete it. Now, if you want to complete week 1, you can complete week 1. Like this, you have to open the sheet. You can see all these videos are available. Like this, you have to just check it out. Now, another thing is that once you have completed all these things, you have to come to the skill batch section. Now, many of you may face issues like the lab URLs, basically the game URLs are not working or whether the code is not being copied. You have to just click on this URL. Okay, you have to just click on this URL. You can directly click on it. Wait a second. Wait a second. You can click on this, or you can just from the description box or just Google it, Arcade. Google Arcade, you'll get this website. From here, you can copy the code and start. For solutions, you can check the playlist, or also you can just come to the channel and just check the playlist directly also, right? So like this, you can just come to the channel playlist and here you can see all the level games are live. Like this, you have to complete the arcade games. Now comes the lab free courses. Now, if you are a participant of the arcade facilitator program, you have to complete some of the lab free courses also. But if you are participating normally in the arcade, do not complete these lab free courses because you won't be getting points. Which is arcade facilitator? This program. Okay. If you have enrolled using any code, basically try to use the code which we have provided, and the video we have already shared how to fill the form. You can check it out. And if you are facing issue, you can check the community post of this channel. Here also I shared all the videos and details, so you can just check that out. And now another thing is that once you have just basically enrolled and now you can start your journey. So here all the lab free courses, 24 lab free courses are live. Their solutions are also live. You can complete it. Now many of you are asking about these two labs. So for these two labs also solutions are here. So basically we have completed all the lab free courses. Now the lab free courses is also done. Now times comes for the skill badges. So here is the skill badges. By default in the description it might be written as discover new skill badges. You have to just click on that sheet, and if you face any issue you can comment down below. And here one more important thing is that now we have 20 labs equal to 20 skill badges. Basically from 10 skill badges they have updated to 20 skill badges, and now basically here you have to just complete one lab. If you complete one lab, basically anyone not, if you complete one lab from this course, you'll get the badge without any issue. So for that, we are getting 10 points with just 10 labs only. How 10 points? Two skill badges give 1 point. So here, skill badge, pre-assessment skill badge also done. You have completed 20 skill badges. Now you need to complete, here you can see 52 skill badges. Here they have mentioned, I think so. In the point system, I think it is present. Okay. So here you can see they have mentioned the skill badges, and here they have mentioned that we have to complete 52 skill badges. So from it, 20 already completed. So basically for the remaining, how will complete the remaining skill badges? Here more than 50 plus skill badges are there. So you can complete the remaining from here also. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. All the solutions are live on the channel. You can just have to just first of all open like this, and then next here it is the video for it. So you have to just basically playlist, we can say. All these things are available over here. You can just complete it and earn exciting Google Cloud Arcade points. And then you will redeem it at the December. So regarding all these things, a detailed video is already live on the playlist, I think so. Regarding the Arcade Facilitator program, here you can see, here I have already uploaded. Let me show you. Yes. From Zero to Arcade Hero, you can watch this video and gain insights regarding the program, how the swags will be sent to you, how you have to earn the points. All these things are covered over here. You can just watch it and understand the process. So this is the main thing which I wanted to share regarding the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. Regarding, many of you are asking how you'll get the progress report. So basically, if you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, you will be receiving soon. I think once the enrollment phase is closed and the facilitators have been allotted, then basically you'll be start receiving from next week or within that week also the emails regarding what milestone you have done, how many games you have done, how many trivia games you have done, and lab free courses you have done. So you'll getting this. And another email will also get like Arcade Insider. Basically, Arcade Insider will count for July till December. Basically, in Arcade Facilitator program, you have to complete all these badges. Okay, you can see here from August 4 to 6 of October, whatever you complete, right? Whatever you complete from this cohort will be counted from August 4 to October 6 will be counted for bonus points. Like if you complete any skill badge or lab 3 courses for basically you have completed even in July, then it won't be counted for the Arcade Facilitator milestone, right? It will be counted for the Arcade. That means it will be added in the normal Arcade program, but it won't be added as a milestone. You won't be getting a milestone count, right? So I hope it clears your doubt. Basically, the Arcade program runs from July till December, but the Arcade Facilitator program is a short duration, basically 2-month program. Here we get only the bonus point. This is the thing I wanted to share. So that's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.